crust. Now we're looking at each other in disgust. Who's to blame? Is it you or is it me? Trying to get back to where we once used to be, but it's gone, long gone, and we both so know it. Fighting for a love that we're both so over. Searching for a sign, holding on to the past. But sometimes love just doesn't last.